How to use cash on delivery on Flipkart. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipen, and today I'll guide you on how you can use the cash on delivery option on Flipkart on your order. Now you can easily go ahead and log into Flipkart and then place an order, and after that, while placing an order, it'll ask you to enter in your details, and you can enter in your shipping address and such, and then it'll ask you to enter in your payment method. Now there on the payment methods option, you will easily find the cash on delivery option. However, there is a twist on it. What you'll have to know is that it is only available on certain items. Now, availability of cash on delivery depends on the ability of the courier partner servicing your location to accept cash as payment at the time of delivery. So it entirely depends on the courier that you're purchasing the item from. If they have the cash on delivery option and if they have the delivery system on your region, then you might easily use the option. However, if it isn't the case, if it is not available by the courier itself, by the courier partner company itself on your region, then you won't be able to use it. So hope this helps you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.